Hey guys, welcome to day 19 of Codeforces Every Day Until GM. Let's just jump straight into it. Presents, another 800 rated. Just do it. 136 a presents pi rating 800. Little Petya very much likes gifts. Recently, he has received a new laptop as a New Year gift from his mother. Immediately decides to give it to someone else. He organized a New Year's party, invited in friends. Likes more than receiving gifts is watching others giving gifts to someone else. Thus, he safely hid the laptop until the next New Year and made up his mind to watch his friends exchanging gifts. While he does not participate, he numbered all his friends 1 through N. Petya remembered that a friend, number I, gave a gift to PI. He also remembered that each of his friends received exactly 1 gift. Now, Petya wants to know, for each friend I, the number of a friend who has given him a gift. Okay, what? So the first line contains integer n equals int input. Second line contains n spaced integers. The ith number is pi. So just p equals list map int input dot split. Then the number of a friend who gave a gift to friend number I. Okay. It is guaranteed that each friend receives it. Okay. It's possible to not share those gave gifts with themselves. Print in space integers. The ith number should equal the number of friend who gave gift. Okay. I don't really understand what this question is trying to ask. Wants to know for each friend I, the number of friend who gave him a gift. Okay. Is there an order or what? Watching others, thus he safely hid his laptop. Made up his mind to watch his friends exchange gifts while he does not participate. He numbers all of his friends with integers 1 through n. And then Petya remembered that a friend number I gave a gift to friend number PI. The ith number is PI, so I is the index. So friend number, for example, 2 gave a gift to 3, so friend number 3 gave a gift to 4. Friend number 4 gave a gift to 1. Okay. Just output. Okay, I see. So let's close this. For I in range. Actually, we can do for I in P to print dot append 2 print equals 0 times n. Okay, for I in P, so 2. How do we do this? Enumerate? Do we need to enumerate? Okay, for I in range n, 2 print I minus 1. Well, it starts at 0, so 2 print I equals starts at 0, so we grab 2. 2 print P I equals wait. So I is if this is PI, we want to set 2 print PI is 2 I, like this. Print to print. Run. Okay, index out of range. Zero, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's not that. N plus 1. There we go. Not sure why it's like that. It's definitely not right. Five, that's not right. So it's N. And then this is wrong. For I in range in 2, 3, 4, 1. That's correct. And then we need a set to print pi minus 1 equal to I. We want 2 to be equal to 1. So I plus 1. There we go. 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2. 1, 2. There we go. Browse. Oh my god, why does it do this? Python, Codeforces, presents, submit. There we go. Difficulty, no. 1. Solve it myself, yes. Implementation problem. Okay. Let's do a B problem. Page B problem. Okay, what is going on with my spreadsheet? There we go. Don't know why. Swapping monitors just fixed it, but I did this yesterday. This one, effective approach. 227B. This one has a lot of words to it. Once at team training, Vasya, Petia, Sasha got a problem on implementing linear search on an array. According to the boys, linear search works on the follow. The array elements in a pre-selected order are in turn compared to the number you need to find. Yep. Once you find the array element that is equal to the required one, search ends. Efficiency of the algorithm is the number of performed comparisons. The fewer comparisons, the more effective it is. This person believes it would work better if it sequentially iterates through the elements starting with the first one. Says she's wrong. The search would need less comparisons if it iterates the elements starting from the nth and ending with the first. Sasha argues they're equivalent. Settle it. Array onto n. Generated m queries. Find element with value bi in the array. They want to calculate for both approaches how many comparisons the linear search would need to respond. The first search, second one. If both same, then Sasha's got the upper hand. Okay. Problem is linear search is too slow. That's what the boys aren't gonna find out who's right before the end of the training unless you come in here, help them determine who will win. Line 1 is in. Second line contains a Okay, third line contains M. Number of queries, last line contains B. Print two integers showing how many comparisons this person's approach needed and how much this person. Okay. So it's the array. Searching for this. This one takes 1. This one takes 1, 2 comparisons. Alright, so 1 and 1, 2. This one takes 1, 2. This one takes 1. Okay. This one takes 1, 1, 2, 3, so 4. Wait, this one, wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, then 6. Okay. Okay, so if I were to just brute force this, counter A, 0, counter B goes 0, for I in range N. So we should also probably track an L. Okay, this is my left, this is my right. Right should equal to N minus 1. And then if L, if left we're iterating through. Okay, we should sort the B array. Does it matter? Yes, because then we don't have to iterate again through it. B equals B dot sort, and then if BL is equal to for I in range N, if AL is equal to B, we should iterate through How do I do this? B dot sort. We should have a variable. Wait. So say we have an array. Is this whiteboard just... we just retire it? It's broken. Excalidraw used to be the goat. Oh yeah, let's see if this is any good. Oh, I don't really like... how do I change the color? This is the thickness, right? There are no color changes? That's crazy. Oh, yes there is. No, I ain't upgrading. Ah, this PMO. I'll just stick with this. Okay, so we have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Text color. Hello? Blue. How do I make it bigger, bro? Okay. Okay. Now, we start here and we start here at the same time. And then if A left in B, counter A plus equals L. L starts at 0. So it should be L plus 1. Right. And then if BR or B, yeah, BR in B. If A R in B, counter B plus equals R. right? Then we do r minus equals 1. Something's not right here, I feel like. Okay, we're iterating through this. Let's say b is 3. Go through. Well, okay, let's say we have a couple of b's. Go through one comparison, two comparisons, three comparisons. Let's go down here. 1, 3 comparisons. And then our comparisons would be a plus equals L, which is just 3. And on the fourth comparison, we find this one, so plus equals L, which would be 4 here. So we'd have 7 comparisons. And then this would be 4. And this would take 4 and then 5. Which would be 9. And then we'd output 7, 9. Alright, I think this is correct. Print counter A, counter B. None type is not iterable. If AL is in so we do v dot sort here. Do we even need this sort? So no, since we're doing in, I don't even think we need to sort. Two, 1, 6, 6. Let's test this case. And then 7, 9. Okay, I think it's working. Effective approach. Wrong answer. Drew's answers 58. 32. Oh, what is this? R plus equals 1. Uh. 9. 9. 28, 28. That's not right. Where's my pointer tool? How do I edit this? Okay. There we go. So we start from here, Is this in our answer array? Yes. So we add 1. Let's have A and B over here. This is index 0 and index 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Index 8. So is it +1? R +1? R doesn't need +1. 1. R would be at 8 already, so it should be this, it should be this. And then we would be adding 1 here. And then I see what's happening. Counter plus equals comparison. L auto increments. Comparisons. Then comparisons plus equals 1. Alright. 1 each. Then you go here. Is 9 in the array? No. Is 8? Yes. Comparisons is 2, so let's just 2, and move on. 3, nope, 7, nope, 1, 4, 1, yep. So we should add 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4. Wait, oh, here's one case that we don't handle. If there's duplicates. So how do we solve this duplicate issue? We can do P and B times A dot count, or B dot count AL. $49.23. Hold on a sec. Oh, even my normal ones are breaking. B dot count AL. If AL and B, so we're saying is 3 and B, yes. Then counter A plus equal comparisons. Oh, because comparisons is 0. It should start at 1. Okay. $58.32. There we go. That should handle all the cases. TLE. Hmm. What can we do to make this faster? What is time complexity of count? Python. O to the n in O to the n, which is too slow. So what we can do is like pre-compute the counts and then pull it later. Have like, we're gonna use a counter from collections import counter, and then b counts equals counter b times b counts al, and then ar. Maybe. Now it should just be O to the n. TLE, Jover. What's causing it to slow down and where? I didn't even check if this prints the right answers, by the way. I didn't even save it. Which submission is this? Yeah, oh, I didn't even save it. Like, maybe that's why. Let me just recheck this one to see the values. Okay, yeah. Let's try this again. TLE still. I mean, if I switch this to the counter, does it make it any faster? Mm, I mean, I guess it would be faster because counter's like a hash, right? It's like a dictionary. Yeah, it's a dictionary. So this would be faster than or than checking it in a list, because list would be the length of the list, which would be m. So it'd be nm, and then this would be like we're jumping straight to the check. Maybe this makes it fast enough. Oh, what happened? There we go. Still recording? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that was quite a difficult problem, not gonna lie. Well, where's my worksheet? Here it is. Okay, effective approach. Someone count 4. This was hard. I definitely need to review this later. Maybe we'll give it a 7. 1.7. Yes. And this is implementation. Let's bookmark this. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna call it there today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I know there's been a lot of new heads here. Welcome, welcome. And I guess other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.